Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel No Homeopathy, and yes, Samriddhi Sharma is here to guide you, and in this video I am going to discuss vehicles with you all. So in this video I am going to discuss about the introduction of the vehicles, that what is vehicle and what is idle vehicle and types of vehicle. These are the points that I am going to discuss in the video, and the individual vehicles I will discuss in the next coming videos. Okay, so watch the video from first to last for the better understanding. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's start the video. So first of all, you must know what is the meaning of the term vehicle. Vehicle is not the transportation or the vehicle by which we move on the road. Vehicle in the homeopathy is the substance in which the medicine is prepared or mixed and given for their internal administration. Okay, simple meaning of the vehicle, word vehicle, is the conveyance or transmission. Okay, but in homeopathy, the vehicle is a substance in which medicine is prepared or mixed and given for their internal administration either by oral route or by olfaction method. Okay, so this is the definition of the vehicle. And please remember, whatever I am discussing you in this video, you have to write in the examination, and don't write so lengthy answers in your examination. So please try to write the concise information, important information, and the very much important in the examination, because the examiner have maximum of the 2 or 3 minutes for your copy. Okay, so whatever I am discussing in the videos, you have to write only this. Okay, so vehicle are the medium for purification, preparation, preservation, internal administration and external application of drug substance or medicine. So if I talk about the vehicle with you in the simple language, it is simply a substance in which we prepare the medicine and give for the internal administration. Okay, so these are the definition of the vehicle. Now we are going to discuss what is an idle vehicle. Okay, idle vehicle is decided by the criteria that I am showing you in this video, and we are going to discuss. These criteria are: it must not have its own medicinal properties. Okay, idle vehicle is one that doesn't have its medicinal property, because we are giving medicine in the vehicle. So if the vehicle have its medicinal property of its own, then the two medicinal properties are going to be mixed up and we don't know what is going to happen to the patient. Okay, it should be chemically neutral, neither acidic or alkaline. The vehicle must be the neutral. Okay, neutral one, not reacting with the medicine that we are giving. Okay, must not undergo any change. The vehicle in which we are giving the medicine must not undergo any change, whether we are putting the medicine for long. Okay, so it should have the property to store the medicine, preserve the medicine. Okay, and it should not change the property of the medicine also. It has the capability of preserving it, and vehicle itself does not undergo any change. Now the vehicle must be harmless regarding its action, because we are giving the medicine in it, so the vehicle must be harmless. If the vehicle has its own medicinal property or is harmful, so it should not be considered as an idle vehicle. Okay, medicinal action of original drug should not be disturbed in any way. So this is the most important point that you have to remember, that anyhow the medicinal property should not be disturbed by the vehicle. Okay, now the next point is the vehicle must be capable of carrying dynamic powers into the interior. As we know, the homeopathy works on the dynamic. The disease is simply the dynamic disturbance of the vital force. Okay, so the medicine which we are giving should reach the dynamic plane, and the vehicle should be capable of carrying the medicine to the dynamic plane. The vehicle should be edible and palatable. Okay, edible means doesn't change its property whenever given in any form. If you are mixing it in something, so it easily mix up. Okay, easily chewable, palatable. Okay, and preserve the drug substance. That's the most important thing. So in one line, if I am saying about what is the properties of an ideal vehicle should have no property of its own. Only what the vehicle should have to do, it have to preserve the medicine, doesn't have its own property or doesn't have its own medicinal content, doesn't change the medicine, and at last capable of carrying the dynamic powers into the interior and easily edible and palatable. Okay, forms of vehicles, there are three forms of vehicles: solid, liquid and semi-solid. Okay, solid vehicles, as we can say, sugar of milk, cane sugar, grape sugar, globules, pilules, cones, tablets, pellets. These all I am going to discuss you in the coming videos. Okay, liquid vehicles are what? Alcohol. There are 5 types of alcohol, that is absolute, dilute, strong, dispensing and rectified spirit. Okay, each of the alcohol is used in different preparations. So absolute alcohol, as we can say, it is used in the starve process, that is used for the purification of the sugar of milk, and the mother tinctures are made from the strong alcohol. Okay, and dilutions are made from the rectified spirit, and dispensing alcohol is a official alcohol, that is having the 88% of alcohol. Okay, so these are the things that you need to remember about the alcohols. Okay, so alcohol is a liquid vehicle, and glycerines, oil, water, these are the liquid vehicles. Now semi-solid vehicles are what? Vaseline, wax, spermaceti, lanolin, prepared lard, isinglass. Okay, so these are the semi-solid vehicle. So this is the introductory part of the vehicle, and the video is made to give you the introduction about what is a vehicle and what is an ideal vehicle and types of vehicle. Okay, so in the next video we will be going to discuss about the individual vehicles. Okay, so be prepared for it. I hope video is useful to you, and if you like it, like it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching. No Homeopathy.